Shrimp Alfredo is a classic dish that takes little effort and it's so creamy and delicious. Cook the pasta according to package instructions. Once it's cooked, set it aside. Turn on the heat to medium. Add the oil. Add the butter to add buttery flavor. So I'm just adding about 1/4 cup. Once the butter is melted, add the onions, garlic, and saute it for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add the shrimps. I already deveined it and removed the shells except for the tails. Season the shrimps with salt. And pepper. And continue cooking the shrimps. Now I'm going to add the cream. I'm using heavy cream. And then you just simmer it for 2 minutes or until it is thickened. Time to add our cooked pasta. Add a parmesan cheese. So I'm putting a lot of parmesan cheese so that it's going to be more flavorful. Mix everything together until the pasta is well coated in the sauce. Okay, now I'm going to season it with salt. Pepper. And to add a bit of spice, I'm going to add smoked paprika. And some fresh parsley. And then mix everything together again. Smells so good. And then you just simmer it for another 30 seconds. I'm going to turn off the heat. And I'm going to transfer it to a serving plate. Gonna top it with some parmesan cheese. Garnish it with chopped parsley. And some lemon on the side.